Okay, so yeah, episode 3, freaking awesome. I think. You decide.
You suck.
What?
You suck.
You suck.
Your whole entire web page
Go,
sucks.
no, go suck Miley's face off. Or Hannah's face off. Go on. Brothers. You don't want one, okay? You don't. Really. If you don't have one, you're lucky.
Inappropriate.
Very inappropriate, Christian. Very.
Say anything, baby.
Don't.
Say hi, Miley.
Okay, it's Hannah, not Miley.
Ha 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 ha. That's what you think.
Oh God.
I'm gonna get dressed now.
Take her with you. Maybe she'll leave me alone. She wants to kill me.
I do too.
Why?
Because you smell of eggs.
I smell of eggs.
And other sort of bad smelling things.
Oh, yeah, okay. Oh my God. Guess what?
Toilet butt.
Close.
Close? That's what you get.
Look what you did. Look what you did.
What you did? Look at your face.
You had toilet paper stuck on your foot.
You had
Look what
face
you did.
stuck to your ass. Oh wait, that's your face.
Oh! That's nice. That's nice.
Those are not butt. Why would you do that? That's terrible. Don't hit my hi-hat. You're sick.
You broke the bass drum.
Hey.
You broke the bass drum.
Shut your hole.
I don't want to shut my hole.
Taylor, if I have to come over there and beat you up one more time.
You're gonna come beat me up? Come on. Come beat me up.
You just wait when no one's looking.
No, I'll cover, okay? Come on, come beat me up. Come on. Come on. He's not gonna come beat me up.
She thought I wouldn't come beat her up. Shut your hole!
Yes, off me!
So how are you guys? How are you guys?
Okay, I'm good. Well then, that was exciting. Have a good night, okay? Have a good night.
Wait!
No!
Wait!
No!
Wait!
I'm waiting.
Wait!
I'm waiting.
Wait!
Waiting. Okay.